My name is Warren Wessel. I'm from the street cleaning section. I'm acting supervisor at the moment. I'm currently normally team leader. I'm my permanent role. Street cleaner covers everything from servicing the community in roadside rubbish removal, illegal dumps, asbestos removal, deceased animals. We service the streets and street sweeping. We do any shopping centres and towns, preschools, leisure centres, community centres, and anything that's non-residential. The rural areas, that's all street cleaners as well, yeah. Our role is essential because of the rubbish that needs to be emptied on a daily basis for hygiene purposes. We service anywhere between 750 bins per week, which is about 15 tonne of disposal rubbish each week. Motorists love coming to work and then dealing with the challenges that arise each day, because we don't just deal with a certain couple of things, it's a whole broad range of things. So we help with other sections as well, help them out as well. Oil spills, needle sticks, car accidents, all that kind of stuff, that's all street cleaning. So when we service the roads with our road sweepers, we come with challenges every day in between cut parked cars, overhanging trees, which also council provides tree trimming service as well. You know, then obviously trying to tip that off in peak hour periods, trying to service 49 suburbs, which is about 460,000 residents. And it's about 3,500 k's of roadway. So you can imagine with 5 trucks trying to service George Street once per year is a big challenge for us. Generally, with community members, they always want to know, what we're doing and how we do it. And then, sometimes it's just good to be able to explain to them in simple terms on what we actually do, So it might be saying, we service your street once per year. We come out when the gutter's blocked or the drain's blocked, you know what I mean, for that kind of thing, or any oil spills or glass spillage. So, it's good to be able to just, try to give them the right information.